You know, happy toes. Happy hoes. These are basic lashes. So when you're feeling a little basic and you don't want to look like you're trying too hard, I cannot tell you enough. Like, once you get these lashes from AliExpress, you will not go back, because literally this is literally pennies to $1. And I mean, in terms of how much you get, 4 pairs, and honestly they're only like $3, maybe $3 to $5 for all of these, and they're great quality. I have no complaints, and I'm having just a wonderful time trying out different lashes. So that's my thoughts on that. This is something that I got. I needed an eye cream, so I actually got this from Amazon, and this was about $8 to $10. So a drugstore brand. It's the CeraVe, but you know what, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's the eye repair cream. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. It feels great. It feels really great. I don't know what is. There's a little bit of a cooling sense. It's a smoothener. It just feels very nice on my skin. So this is a lip scrub. So it's very pretty. So it scrubs it and it exfoliates it as well as moisturizes it. But it feels so good to just relax and unwind and spend some time with yourself. And yeah, self-care. My ADD has gotten the best of me because... oh gosh, I washed my hands and I didn't even wash my lips. Well, I'll let it sit on there for a little bit. And let's see, what is this? I got from also AliExpress. This is like about $4, and it's a tint my 4-tip brow. So like I said, they just got some really, really cool things. And the reason why I want to tint my brows is because, well, look, I like the shape of it. I did go to see someone to get my eyebrows done. It's like a blend of micro and powder. I don't know. Excuse me. I really love the shape of it, but the color, it's a little too dark. Which reminds me, I'm going to be doing my hair again next in another video. Gotta get my fall hair done. So that's why I'm going to be soaking my hair in oil. I've been doing that every other day to prepare my hair because it will probably get damaged again from the coloring that I'm about to do. So we'll take care of that. Woo! I'm going to be doing my skin today, or like using the face mask and everything like that. But it's like literally a felt pen, you guys. Oh wow, look at that. So you can see. Can you focus? Can it focus? Oh wow, this is really cool. So it's like literally the micro. Wow, no way. Yeah, so I am trying to make my brows lighter, and I'll do one side and then we'll see if there is a difference. Oh my. I'm using a whole new lamp light, so that really makes it a lot better, I'm sure. Except for that you can see almost too much, meaning all my sweat and my nastiness. But love this. I love it. You guys can definitely see there is a difference. Honestly, I gotta get some more of these. I gotta try out the different colors. Why not? Why not? And the price, and now it's just so much, it's so easy to apply. I actually was gonna look for an eyebrow pencil. I was thinking about maybe Bobbi Brown as well. I don't know, but you know what? I'm fine with it. So I'm really happy about that. Score! Also, don't mind these lashes. This glue, I have to make a complaint. I do not recommend this glue at all. I'm not like really good at wearing lashes enough so that I can use any glue to make it work. This glue, don't get me wrong, this will stick. It's just that it's not gooey enough, I guess, to kind of like make sure that you get it to the right place on your eyelashes before they start sticking, and then if not, then they'll start popping off. It's just not gooey enough in my opinion, so I don't recommend this, but to each their own. Oh, that's my new favorite. Everything is my favorite thing. Okay, so I'm gonna back it up because I know I'm scaring you guys. Like, I'm sure I'm scaring y'all. Like, whoa! Okay, and I'm gonna go wipe this off. So, yeah, I wiped off the lips, and you know what? I love this. I would recommend it, and I would get this again. It was $9.99 on Amazon. Milani Rose Sugar. Because my lips, honestly, I don't recall it being this soft. It's like lubricated. And I like how it got a little puffy on the top, which is cute. Really cute. Anyway, woo, scary. Anyway, it's probably gonna be the time of the month. That's probably why this thing came out to play, and I'm not in the mood. Okay, so let's move on. Let's get to my favorite thing. Yes. Oh, I remember the struggle with this box when I tried to open it on my birthday video. So I'm gonna try to be as smart as I can. So yeah, so this is the, I believe this is, yeah, this is straight from Japan. Ooh, this one looks pretty filled. So here we go. It's gonna be new for you as it is for me. Dun dun dun. Oh wow, this is so cute. They got this paper. Interesting. I don't recall having that either the first time. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, so this is my July box. So I still haven't gotten, shipping is a little behind. Oh, cute! I'm such a sucker. Look! So it comes with a cute little makeup bag. Oh, I don't even want to take it out. Oh, it's a collector item. It's My Melody. And it's a My Melody. What's that? Oh, it's a Halloween one. That's perfect for fall. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. And then, yeah, this is Halloween one. Halloween edition. Oh my gosh, or fall edition. Oh yeah, this is a collector's item. Yeah. I'm all of a sudden now a hoarder and a collector, and I have no shame in the game because these are one-of-a-kind pieces. And we have, I don't know if you guys know about the Sanrio store. So these things are pricey. Yeah, it is. So it's the Sanrio brand, so we know that it's legit. Wow. Oh my gosh, they might just make me a subscriber forever. Forever. Okay, and then, gosh, this is way better than the first box I got. Wonder why. But I'm not complaining. Okay. Ooh, and look what I have. I have a, oh my gosh, I can't even. It's a juicy mist. So I was just saying I need to get a mist, but now I have a mist. Oh, but it's just one of those things. It's so cute. I can't use it just yet. I'm gonna have to just, you know. Oh, well, you know what? What's the point? Okay, so here's the mist. You're so cute. And what does it say? Juicy na momo yummy. I don't know. It's not focusing. I gotta work it a little bit. Don't know how to work it. Juicy mist. Wait, I hope this is not, I hope this is, oh, I don't know. Is this for your face or is this like perfume? Because that could go really bad. Juicy non-mist, juicy. Okay. Oh, here we go again. Everything is in, you know what? Let me just spray it on my wrist. Because, oh my gosh, it smells like pears. It smells so delightful. This is definitely, no, this is for your face. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want to order this and just keep it. Oh, these things are way too cute. I'm going to put it back in its box. Pretend I've never even touched it. Okay. Well, that's going to go out on my display. Oh, when I look at these cute little things, it just makes me so happy. This was in the other box too. So cute. It's a little gloss. So cute. Honestly, this would make such a great little gift. If I had a daughter, oh my gosh, it would be such a fun thing for her to get one of these boxes and we open them together. Oh, look at this. Soap. It comes with the Ichigo milk flavor. Oh, so you know their soaps are going to be great. It's a milk soap, so you know it's going to be moisturizing for your skin. So Japanese like their milk products, milk candies, and it's yummy. But oh my goodness, this is way too cute. I absolutely love this. Aww. Oh, it probably smells like strawberry ice cream. I'm like, what happened to the last box, really? Did I accidentally upgrade on accident? Moisture hand jelly. Okay, so this is a pretty big item as far as like fluid ounces. Moisture hand jelly, and Lord knows I could use some. I've never heard of jelly But these hands, you gotta take care of the hands. I mean, I'm telling myself this. I never knew the importance. Ooh, so that's what it looks like. Dee, dee, dee. I hope this is for your hand jelly and not the kind of hand jelly that I'm talking. That other. Anywho, oil in. Yeah, I just have a dirty mind. Sorry. This is definitely for your hands. So let's see how that feels. Ooh, it's like, it is like a lubricant. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm telling you, these products, wow. I can't even compare. Like, oh, it smells so good. It smells like grape jelly. Grape jelly, get in my belly. Wrapping because I'm just so cool now that I have smooth hands. Oh, wow. Light. Oh my gosh. I totally recommend this subscription. The products are absolutely amazing. Amazing. I just can't get over that. Wow. No residue. And it's nice and soft. Mommy's filming right now, but yeah, there's you can, yeah, there's all kind of things to eat. You need to get something in your eyes. You're red. You're all what's the matter?
I spent an hour trying collecting loot, getting rabbits, teaming a dino, and then I just get killed. You know.
I don't know. Look at our ice cream cart before it's the Kit Kat ice cream cone. Love you. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look, Daniel, these are like makeups, but it's like makeup, but it looks like candy. It's Japan makeups.
Wow.
Isn't this so cool? Oh my gosh, I can't. You guys, seriously, I can't open this. This is like another collector item. It's a lipstick. Oh. Sweet sour fragrance. Wait, is this? No, it's lipstick. Good thing it says lipstick because I'm a moron. You know what? We gotta open it. We gotta open it. We gotta investigate this, right? Let's just open it up. Oh, okay, so it comes in this little package, and it is. How cute is this? Okay, so it's it smells so good. So it's a cute little lipstick. I don't know. It's 16 brand. Oh, and look at that color. Hey. This is definitely still a summer, but you know what? It could probably pass as like a fall. Summer to fall, which is again. But anyway, so I'll swatch. Oh, yeah. This is a summer to fall. Cute. And look at the way that it's shaped. It's interesting. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like candy. Not that one. It's, did you see the Kit Kat cone?
I know, I like this one though. Can you look at it?
Well, can you grab me a scissors then? Okay. Wanna say hi?
Hello. Don't put that on the video though.
Why? Come over here and say hello. Come.
Hello.
Say hello.
I really want to though.
So this is cute. It's got even some glitter in there. How cute is that? Then we got two different little face packs, so I can never get enough face masks. What? So this is a regular face mask, and then this one is little kiwis, and these are for your eyes. You have to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. These are so delightful. These are the kinds of things that just make me so happy. They're so cute. I just love cute things. Oh my gosh, that was fun. That was fun. Okay, so absolutely recommend the Nomakenolife box. Last thing I got was this from Amazon. So I'm going to be doing my toenails. My toenails totally need a makeover. I tried to do the toenails. These are press on, but I'm going to be using glue. So I need to jazz up my feet. They're just not happy at all. And when they're not happy, then, you know, happy toes. Happy hoes. No. So, yeah. Really simple today. So I'm just drenching my hair. This I got from, oh, it's got hair, sorry. Walmart. It's a Palmer's olive oil formula. So it's a growth therapy, but yeah, that's too. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. Oh, gotta take this headband off. Okay, get it all in there. Got my little unicorn shower cap. I'm gonna leave that in for however long, at least a minimum of an hour for me. Teeth whitening light. This thing is a miracle worker. I cannot say this enough. One of my favorite picks throughout the entire summer from when I started these videos. So I am going to be whitening up my teeth a little bit again. Got to keep it, got to keep it going. It smells really awesome. It smells like Skittles, the candy. So I'm definitely tasting the rainbow. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. And I'll do my toes, and I'll show you guys the results. Oh, look at that. That's horrible. That's the makeup oozing out. That's disgusting, but oh well. In the meantime, I'll put the winners up right now. Talk to you soon. Congratulations to all the August winners for the giveaway prizes. It was such a fun birthday month for me, and I just wanted to share that birthday love with you.
Body cream.
Bye, dolls. Bye-bye. Till next time. Bye, dolls. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.